Please sit down calmly and listen carefully now. Please, sit down calmly and listen carefully now.
Good morning, sir. How are you today? Good morning, sir. How are you? How are you today?
I am doing well, thank you for asking. I am doing well. Thank you for asking.
The weather feels so fresh after the rain. The weather feels so fresh after the rain.
Yes, the whole campus looks green and clean. Yes, the whole campus looks green and clean. I have some exciting news for all of you. I have some exciting news for all of you. This is your new English teacher, madam. This is your new English teacher, madam. She has joined our school just this week. She has joined our school just this week.
What subject will Madam actually be teaching us? What subject will Madam actually be teaching us?
She will mainly teach you spoken English, actually. She will mainly teach you spoken English, actually. I am sure you will all enjoy her classes. I am sure you will all enjoy her classes.
How many years have you been teaching here? How many years have you been teaching here?
I have been teaching here for almost 15 years. I have been teaching here for almost 15 years. From today, Madam will handle your English classes. From today, Madam will handle your English classes. Now I must go and attend another class. I must go and attend another class. Please behave well and listen to Madam carefully.
Please.
Behave well and listen to Madam carefully. Thank you. Goodbye, everyone. See you later.
Thank you.
Goodbye, everyone. See you later.
All right, everyone, let me introduce myself properly now. All right, everyone, let me introduce myself properly now.
I have been teaching English for several years. I have been teaching English for several years.
Which school were you teaching at before this? Which school were you teaching at before this?
I was teaching at a school nearby, actually. I was teaching at a school nearby, actually.
Do you enjoy teaching young students like us? Do you enjoy teaching young students like us?
Yes, I truly enjoy teaching students of your age. Yes, I truly enjoy teaching students of your age.
We are also excited to learn from you. We are also excited to learn from you. Do you have any hobbies outside of teaching? Do you have any hobbies outside of teaching?
Yes, I enjoy reading books and gardening sometimes. Yes, I enjoy reading books and gardening sometimes.
So tell me, what subjects do you study here? So, tell me, what subjects do you study here?
We study math, science, English. We study math, science, English.
Do not worry, we will practice a lot together. Do not worry, we will practice a lot together.
I am a little nervous about speaking English. I am a little nervous about speaking English. I sometimes forget words while speaking English quickly. I sometimes forget words while speaking English quickly.
That happens to everyone, even to me sometimes. That happens to everyone, even to me sometimes. We will start slowly and practice step by step. We will start slowly and practice step by step.
Will you correct us if we make mistakes? Will you correct us if we make mistakes?
Yes, but only gently, so do not worry. Only gently, so do not worry.
Excuse me, madam, can I go to the washroom? Excuse me, madam, can I go to the washroom?
Yes, of course, please go ahead quickly. Yes, of course, please go ahead quickly.
Thank you, madam. I will be back soon. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. I will be back soon. I am back, madam. Sorry for being late.
I am back, madam.
Sorry for being late.
No problem at all. Please take your seat now. No problem. Problem at all. Please take your seat now. Can you tell me one hobby you truly enjoy? Can you tell me one hobby you truly enjoy?
I love drawing pictures during my free time. I love drawing pictures during my free time.
That is wonderful. Drawing is such a creative hobby. That is wonderful. Drawing is such a creative hobby.
I enjoy playing football after school every evening. I enjoy playing football after school every evening.
That sounds fun. Football keeps you active and healthy. That sounds fun. Football keeps you active and healthy.
I enjoy helping my mother with cooking sometimes. I enjoy helping my mother with cooking sometimes.
That is a very kind and useful habit, honestly. That is a very kind and useful habit, honestly.
I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers and 1 sister. I live with my parents and my grandmother. I live with my parents and my grandmother. Oh no, I forgot to bring my English book. Oh no, I forgot to bring my English book.
Do not worry. You can share with your friend. Do not worry. You can share with your friend. Everyone, please open your notebooks to a fresh page. Everyone, open your notebooks to a fresh page.
When is our next spoken English class, madam? When is our next spoken English class, madam?
We will have this class every single day now. We will have this class every single day now. Before we finish, does anyone have any last questions? Before we finish, does anyone have any last questions?
What should we do to prepare for tomorrow? What should we do to prepare for tomorrow?
Just practice today's phrases a little at home. Just practice today's phrases a little at home.
We will definitely practice before tomorrow's class, madam. We will definitely practice before tomorrow's class, madam.
See you all tomorrow. Have a lovely rest of your day. See you all tomorrow. Have a lovely rest of your day.
Goodbye, madam. Have a safe journey home too. Goodbye, madam. Have a safe journey home too.